So your Tracfone says it's activated, but you can't make calls? Here's the deal. This often boils down to three main issues: VoLTE, voice over LTE, provisioning, and SIM card problems. VoLTE is how your phone makes calls over the 4G, 5G network instead of older 3G. If VoLTE isn't working correctly, calls won't go through. Provisioning is the process of registering your SIM card and phone on the network. If this isn't complete, calls won't work. Finally, the SIM card itself could be faulty or not properly inserted. We'll break down how to fix each of these. First, check your VoLTE settings. Go to Settings, Connections, Mobile Networks, and make sure VoLTE calls is enabled. Next, try resetting your network settings through Settings, General Management, Reset Network Settings. For provisioning issues, use the My Tracfone app to check your status. If it's not provisioned, contact Tracfone support at 1-800-867-7183 for a provisioning refresh. Also, ensure your SIM card is properly inserted and clean. If it's old, consider a free SIM swap. eSIMs are an option on newer iPhones. A common fix is manually entering the correct APN settings, APN entidad, mmscvtext.com. After each step, test if you can make a call. If problems persist, seek Tracfone-specific support.